Hello Calc 2 students, welcome to week 4. This week we're sort of looking at a random collection of applications of integrals. So first we're going to be looking at improper integrals, which is what happens when you can't quite use the fundamental theorem of calculus directly. There are two types of improper integrals. Type 1 is when the interval is infinite, and type 2 is when the function itself has an infinite discontinuity. We'll also be looking at arc length, so finding the length of a curve that's not a straight line. And lastly, we'll be looking at differential equations. Differential equations is one of the most important applications of integrals. Really, this week we're just scratching the surface. If you are someone who's going into engineering or physics, there's a pretty good chance you're going to have to take an entire class on differential equations. I do want to let you know that this is a little bit lighter week for two reasons. The first reason is I know that some of you are spending Monday and Tuesday this week focusing on your first test, which is completely reasonable. And so you may not be starting quite as early in the week. And the second reason is that I really want to encourage you to work ahead so that you can start next week's stuff a little bit early. I'm going to try as hard as I can to release next week, the week 5 stuff, a little bit early, because that's a big week. If you look at our schedule, I think we have 7 sections that we got to cover next week. And so I want to give you a little bit more time to do that if we can. I know you're anxious to get your tests back. I am working on them. Just know that it's probably going to be Thursday or Friday before I manage to get them all graded. Good luck this week. If you have questions, as always, post in the discussion board or send me an email. Good luck.